Okay, a Proton Inspira installed for the Convex Android Master Series. 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, DSP flexible function, IPS screen with SIM card slot. So IPS screen, multi-angle viewing, still same color. Okay, 10.1 inch big screen OEM casing for Proton Inspira or Mitsubishi Lancer. Same casing and OEM socket plug and play. Okay, connect with a Kogo dark view 170-degree reverse camera. Dark view Kogo camera. Okay, full menu. Setting, network, turn on Wi-Fi, connect for hotspot, or insert a SIM card for mobile network. Okay, it's got a SIM card slot and 2 USB slots. One with extension put in the drawer. Another connect with an original USB slot you put in behind the player. So it's got a GPS antenna and a 4G antenna will be hidden inside the dashboard. Okay, styling control. So you have to set styling control. Screen off. Nighttime driving, you have to turn off the screen. The music keep on. Play Store, you download app. EQ, let me show you for the music. EQ. So you can do a flexible control for the EQ or preset, or you choose your preset. Okay. Video input and video output. Bluetooth call, pairing with your phone Bluetooth for Bluetooth calling. It's got a mic input, or add on an extension mic. So it's got a built-in extension mic input, so behind the player. Click for music, Bluetooth music icon for Bluetooth music. Car info for high-spec car. Car kit, minor setting. Car setting, Navi software. So you got a media and a GPS mixing volume control system. Factory reset, password 1234. Factory setting, password 1617. Okay, you can change boot logo or some major setting for factory setting. Back. Play Store, download app. Okay, back to home. So you have to clear apps, clear it one by one, or close all. Let me show you for the close all. This is radio, so setting, volume, next, previous, volume now. Okay, so long press, you can drop here, drag here for the split screen, left right different. Okay, or right here. Back to home, picture in picture, clear apps, close all. So this is Convex Android Master Series, 4GB RAM, MC8 version, okay, Android version 8.1, DSP flexible for software. 10.1 inch for Proton Inspira, OEM casing and OEM power socket plug and play. Installed by 1bis, video by Andy. Thank you.